The last thing that I want to go ahead and do as far as basic control flow, actually, I want to do two things. First of all, order is important. Now, this code won't compile due to a fairly esoteric aspect of the C# language. It's called definite assignment. So this code won't compile, but imagine it did compile. This code would not be considered valid. The reason is order is important. I don't want to compare name to Nelson until name is assigned to the result of console.readline. So I wanted to point that out. Order is important. Code is executed sequentially.